Students, Assalamu alaikum. All after you. It is from the Government Upper Primary School, Banpura, Jagarpura, 4th June 2020. Our subject is math. For class 8, the topic is comparing quantity exercise 2. From this exercise, we have a question number 3, 4, 5. A shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2400 and sells them for a profit of 16% at the selling price of one article. अब एक शॉपकीपर ने यहाँ कहे दुकानदार ने 80 चीज़ों को 2400 रुपये में ख़रीदा है, फिर इनको बेच दिया है 16% प्रॉफिट के हिसाब से एंड द सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ वन आर्टिकल। एक आर्टिकल का, एक चीज़ का जो सेलिंग प्राइस है वो कितने में बेच रहा था, कितने में बेचेगा। To find the solution of this question, he has a 80 articles whose cost price is 2400, or we can write here cost price for shopkeeper of 80 articles. 80 articles is rupees 2400. Now selling price of 80 articles. Selling price of 80 articles is rupees. Cost price 2400 plus. It is profit 16% of 2400. Now 2400 plus, what is the 16% of 24? This is 16 divided by 100 multiplied by 2400. ये zero cut the zero. You can write it. It implies 2400 plus 16 multiplied by 24, or 24 multiplied by 16. This is further equal to 2400 plus 16 4s are 64, 6 carry, 16 2s are 32, carry 6, 38. At these 4 0 4, 8 plus 0 8, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 2. This is 2784 rupees is the selling price of 80 articles. Now selling price of one article. This is equal to 2784 divided by 80. This is equal to 2784 divided by 80. You can make it as levels term like this: 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are, 2 0s are, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are, 2 0s are, yes, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 10s are. We can write further it. This is 348 divided by 100. Now point is there, and when we divide it from 10, point comes backwards towards left on crosses 1 digit or unit place. This is equal to 34.8, or it means that 34.8 is the cost of one, is the selling price of one article. Selling price of one article is rupees 34 rupees 80 paise. Now what is our question number 4? This is our question number 4. The cost of an article was 15,500 rupees. 450 were spent on its repair. If it is sold for the profit of 15% and the selling price of the article. एक चीज़ का कीमत जो है 15,500 रुपये, फिर इसके रिपेयरमेंट के लिए यानी इसकी अच्छाई के लिए या मरम्मत के लिए 450 रुपये खर्च करके तो इसको फिर 15% में कि नफ़ा के हिसाब से बेच दिया गया है। तो फिर इसको कितने रुपयों में बेचा गया है, तो ये चीज़ हमें निकालना है। टू फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन we will write the cost price of in article. Cost price of in article. Cost price of in article 15,500 plus 450 of its repairment rupees. This is equal to 0 are 0, 5 plus 0 5, 5 plus 4 5 plus 4 9, 5 is 5, 1 is 1. For this article or for this thing, it comes the expenditure of 15,950. Now the selling price of this article or this thing or article, selling price of this article 15,950 plus it is profit 15% of 15,950. Right here, yeah. This is 15,950 plus 15 divided by 100 multiplied by 15,950. 900. This is equal to 15,950 plus you can multiply these in separate. 15,950 multiplied by 15. 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, 5 9s are 45, 45 carry 2, 47. 5 5s are 25, carry 4, 29. 5 1s are 5, carry 2, 7. 1 zeros are 0, 1 5s are 5, 1 9s are 9, 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1. 0, 5, 7 plus 5, 12, 1 carry, 9, 9, 18, carry 19, 7, 5, 12, carry 1, 13, 1 and carry 1 is 2. This is equal to 22 lakh and 39,250 divided by 100. This is equal to 15,950 plus. Then we divide by it 100. Stop all point is here. The 2 zeros point will go on backboard or left side, and 2 digits it will cross in 2 digits. There is 2 0 point will come in between 2 and 5. It means this is 2,392.50 or 50 pence. You can add it like I will show here. This is a 15,950.00. This 2,392.50. Add these like 5, 2, 9, 5, 9 plus 5, 14, 9 plus 3, 12, carry 1, 13, 5 plus 2, 7, carry 1, 8, 1, 1. 18,000 It means he sells this article 18,342 rupees and 50 paise. Sufficient for today. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay safe, dear students.